you will need a mirror. I got mine from Burlington for $20 and it fits on my entire vanity. And then you will need daylight lights. I got these from Walmart. They were like $12 and some change. They look like this. They're the flat ones. They're not the round ones. Also need command strips. I got 1 pack of small and 1 pack of large, and the large ones actually worked better in my opinion. So here I'm just cutting the command strips in half so that I can get, I guess, more bang for my buck, because I get more of them if I cut them in half, but they still fit the lights perfectly. So I'm going to just, I guess, Velcro them together. I don't know, stick them together, and then I'm going to be placing them on the mirror. Now, as I was doing this project, it was kind of just doing it as I go and recording, you know, and I'm like, okay, if this comes out good, then I'll just make it into a video. But here you see me placing the command strip on the mirror. I actually ended up later taking all of them off the mirror and placing them on the frame, because the way this light is set up, it's really hard to bend it at the corners. So when I put it onto the frame, it gives me a little more leeway to not bend it as much, because it can kind of go in a curved motion. So everything you see me doing here on the actual mirror, I do the same exact thing, except I've moved it just an inch back onto the frame. And you're going to just keep wrapping the lights and sticking them around the mirror until you have no more light to stick on. And also putting it on the frame actually keeps the tape from trying to come up, because when it would curve at those corners, it would make the tape kind of come up, because, you know, bending it at that corner, it puts, I don't know, it just makes it hard, okay? Now you're going to take your zip ties and you're going to secure this at each corner. Now here, I actually tightened it too much, but I left it in the video so that you can see what it looks like. I tightened it too much and it ended up looking like this. The tape was starting to lift and you could clearly see where the zip tie was. So I took that off and redid it. And I didn't tighten it as much, but just enough to keep the lights together to help the tape keep it secured up there. So I just do that around every single corner, and I put one where the end of the light is at, where like that big bulb part of the light ends. I put one there as well, since that part's a little more heavier.
And once you finish this part, that's it. All you have to do is plug it in, which is one of the cons here, because it's not like a switch. Like, you have to plug it in when you want to use it, take it out when you don't want to use it. But it works just as much as the old, like, $300 vanity light I used to have. This works just the same for literally under $50, under $20 if you already have a mirror you can use. So it's like, just do it. Just do it. Save you some money, girl. Just do it.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, get your vanity all cute. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later. Peace.